Hi everyone, this is Kiona and today we are going to try out a very exciting experiment which is called the egg drop inertia. Before we get started, let us first prepare our materials. And the materials that we need is one transparent glass filled with water. Make sure it's not full. Next, a tissue roll. Next, a pie pan or a paper plate. Next, an egg. And lastly, a ruler to measure the height of the egg drop setup. Another thing before we start, let us first set up our egg drop. First, we will place the glass of water on the bottom. Next, we will place the paper plate on top of the glass of water. Next, we will place the tissue roll on top of the pan or the paper plate. Make sure it is in the center of the glass. And lastly, we will put the egg on top of the tissue roll. Make sure it is lying down. So now, let's measure the height from the glass base to the egg. Of course, in inch unit. So let's see. 9.5 inches. It is quite tall. So the goal of this experiment is to smack the side of the pan or the paper plate horizontally. Make sure it will not go upwards nor downwards. And make sure that the egg will go straight into the glass. If you are wondering, what will happen to the egg if I smack the pan horizontally? And what forces are applied to make the egg drop into the glass of water? When you put the egg on top of the tissue roll, it stays at rest. However, if you smack the pan horizontally, the egg will drop, causing it to be in motion because of the force of gravity. And the force of gravity is the reason why objects drop into the ground. Now, let us do the exciting part! Alright, let's get ready. Oh, I'm quite scared because I don't know if I'm going to be. Okay, that's 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! First try successful! Let's pick up our materials first. I lost the tissue roll. Don't worry about it. So, first try. That was really successful and that was really fun. So now our experiment is done. So this experiment involves law of inertia created by Sir Isaac Newton. Law of inertia means that if an object is in rest, it tends to remain at rest unless unbalanced forces are acted upon it, causing it to be in motion. So that is it for today's experiment, and I hope you liked it. And remember, if you are going to try this experiment, don't worry if you fail, because this experiment is all about trials and errors. And what matters is you had fun and you learned something from it. And oh wait, I want to try this experiment again. It's really wet. Remember, the tissue roll should be at the center of the glass. Alright? 3, 2, 1. Yes! Successful again. Thank you for watching. Bye!